I have shoes similar to yours, only I poured bleach on mine, like all over them.
Why did you pour bleach on your shoes?
Does it not bleach them out?
Oh, not these.
Okay.
Oh.
They're in the, I have one of them. I should have both of them.
She needs to walk backwards. You get one arm and I'll get the other one. Make her walk backwards.
Oh, so that, okay, that's a good idea. We're gonna make you walk backwards. I'm not strong enough. I'm really weak.
This is the best backwards walking ever.
Okay.
No, you want to go see it?
All right. Now we have to.
Have you seen anything about it?
Oh, wait a minute. I'm walking backwards for some reason.
No, don't walk backwards too. No, I ain't told her nothing, but she's thinking she's going to the flea market tomorrow to pick out something to go in. Not tomorrow, but Saturday to the sale barn.
Don't turn her around until we actually,
I'm not.
you know.
You record it then?
All right, about to walk over a little mess of something here, so.
That's close enough.
We'll go
No,
slow.
no,
That's
what's,
close enough.
Yeah, we'll go slow.
All right.
Oh, it's okay. Wait. It's okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Let me get my thing on. Hang on. Hang on. Let me get my thing on. Okay. Turn around, Dana.
To my right or left?
It don't
doesn't
matter.
matter. Whichever way you want to turn around.
Oh my
Turn it the other way. There you go.
Do you know what it is, Dana? This is kicking your ass out to watch an apartment.
Go inside.
Dang it. Look at the walls.
When did you install a
You started, we're
plug?
starting that whenever you did that part.
I say,
Go on in there.
Oh, how adorable. Hey, did you say we used to be together? I'm living this. This is adorable.
Oh my god!
Girl. This is awesome. I come in here and eat half of this up. This is
And you got lights
awesome.
too.
oh, wait, look at there.
You got lights.
How did you? Oh.
God!
Flick the switch again.
How sweet.
Now turn it back on.
It's big enough for you, Olivia, and your wardian of evil spirits.
Yes.
And creature, too.